सोचिए अंग्रेज मुसलमान इफ्तारी में क्या खाते हैं। अगर आपका ताल्लुक इंडिया पाकिस्तान से है तो बहुत मुमकिन है कि पकौड़ों समोसों के बगैर इफ्तार का तसव्वुर मुश्किल हो।
बिस्मिल्लाह।
लेकिन क्या अंग्रेज मुसलमान भी इफ्तार में पकौड़े खाते हैं? आए आपको दो बरतानवी अंग्रेज मुसलमानों से मिलाते हैं।
Alright, here we go. The first test, the first taste of the day.
Right, Bismillah. My name's Christopher.
My name's Ben.
And we are two English Muslims here in the UK. I became a Muslim in, 2010.
And I first converted to Islam back in 2019.
This is our tradition on a Friday. Not always we eat fish and chips, you know. Sometimes it's chicken, meat and vegetables, and cottage pie, beans on toast, cottage pie, shepherd's pie, all sorts of things. Even lasagna. But on a Friday, after the Friday prayer, when Maghrib comes in, it's a special treat for us here in the UK to have fish and chips on our Iftar. Sometimes we get together, sometimes we don't, but it's all about community spirit, embracing what we have here in this country and enjoying the blessed month of Ramadan.